What's going on, YouTube? So I just want to give you guys a follow-up. Me having my DJI Mini SE2 drone since November 20th is when I did that unboxing. So I've had it for almost 4 months now. I took it out on its third flight, and it was a very short flight because it started to rain. As soon as I got it up, I may have gotten a minute worth of footage, and then it started to rain. But I wanted to give you guys a follow-up because I have not followed up since I did a video. Where was I? I was in La Ceja. So just following up almost 4 months later with this drone. It is still great. It's a DJI product. You expect it to work with no issues and no problems. And I'm still using the exact same way I showed you guys before. That's with this piece that I got from Amazon. I think I paid about $14 for this. You put it inside here like this. And to get a much bigger display, I use the iPad Mini 6, the cellular version, and this has been working great for me. I also use it when I fly my DJI Air 2 as well. But I'm gonna show you guys some quick footage. It's very short though, of me going up using this in a city called Caldas. And again, the only thing I don't really like about it is the digital sharpness. I gotta tone that down some. It's just a little too sharp. It has a more digital look to it. So that's something I got to remember to do the next time I fly, which is try to turn down the sharpness if I can. When you're buying drones like this, honestly, you don't really have a lot of controls like you do with the Pro versions. There's some things you can do, and then there's some things that are just automatic that because of the price point, you're not allowed to do. Also, thing to remember, guys, is that this drone only has one set of sensors that are on the bottom. These are not sensors, okay? These are just holes here. It looks like there's sensors in the front, but it's not. There's no sensors. The only one is on the bottom. So you have to be extra careful when you're flying these things around trees, power lines, people, things like that. Be very careful. Now, I had my friend's daughter with me, and she was so excited seeing this drone. She's running around, talking to it, waving her hand and different stuff like that. Just having a lot of fun with it, right? But again, this has been a great purchase, and I believe this drone is back on sale. I went on their refurbished site because I was looking at buying, believe it or not, the Ronin 4D. Do not be surprised if I end up buying that camera setup within the next 6 months. Do not be surprised. But anyway, I saw this drone on there for sale for $186. I'm pretty sure it's still not there for that price point being so low. For $186 for a refurbished DJI Mini SE2. That is a super low and super great price for this type of drone. Okay, guys, but just a quick follow-up with this drone, man. I have had a lot of fun with it so far, only taking it on this third flight. I do have a trip coming up where I'm flying to another city, and I'll be able to take it out more. Hopefully, it does not rain. I'll be able to fly from the rooftop of my hotel or in different locations around the city where I can definitely show you guys more footage and using the DJI Mini SE2. And hopefully, as a matter of fact, after I do this video, I'm gonna try to see if I can turn down the sharpness on this. The digital look, I don't really care for, and I don't know if there's another way I can change it if there's no settings on the inside to change it from that. But anyway, though, guys, that's it. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I am out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.